Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in an Epson XP-442. Now this can be done without the use of an attached laptop, just using the printer itself and the control panel you can see here. Now, unlike some Epson printers, you need to actually indicate to the machine that you're going to be changing ink cartridges. So we'll move the arrow keys till we get to setup, which is indicated by a screwdriver and a spanner there. Press OK. And then we want to go down to maintenance, so down and OK. Ink cartridge replacement is the fourth option, as you can see. So down, and in we go. So just press start to indicate to the printer you're changing them, and it'll get the cartridge cradle where it needs to be. Now you've got the scanner on top, but if you go down a little bit further, there's recesses on the left and the right. Just pop your fingers in there, lift it up, and it supports its own weight, so you don't need to worry. And as you can see, the cartridge cradle has moved here where it's recessed, so you can get to the ink cartridges rather than it being tucked under here or here. So to replace the ink cartridges, regardless of whether they're compatible or original, they've normally got a little tab at the top. You can just press down to get them loose, lift them out, get your replacement cartridge, pop them down, and your telly's in when it clicks, and then it's sat flush with the other cartridges. So close down the lid. Right, then indicate to the printer we've changed the cartridges. And you see here it says checking ink cartridges. It'll take a minute just to make sure it's happy with what you've installed and it's able to carry on printing. If you've used compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges, you might need to indicate to the printer that you are aware of this. You didn't think they were originals, but in this instance we've been returned straight here. Now you can carry on printing as you were before. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.